Hey, did you know that Mellif makes a portable, battery-operated 2-in-1 air compressor? This isn't just for inflating car tires, balls, and bicycle tires. It can run pneumatic tools, such as staplers and nail guns. It boasts 160 psi and a high-temperature hose as an inflator and 120 psi for nail guns.
No electricity close enough? Or maybe you're like me and you hate dealing with extension cords? No problem, because Mellif makes units that are compatible with DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita batteries, so you can take this air compressor anywhere.
At only 2.6 pounds with an LED light and full accessory kit for cars, trucks, bikes, balls, and tools.
We were impressed at how easy it was to get the job done quicker and easier. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.